And today we're opening
Grossery Gang.
and it is for 5 plus.
Yeah, and there's 2 thing chocolate bars.
Yeah, and it
And
is
it's done
a shopping mall for grocery gangs. Okay, so shall we start with the blind bag?
Yeah. I'll open one.
Okay,
I'll
let me
open
put
it
it open
open.
for you.
Yeah.
Okay,
One
life go first.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Wow, Dan got Grossery Gangs in there.
really.
Oh.
Now where's that checklist? Is it? Where is it? Ah, there. It's a blue. What is blue? Blue might be a there. Rare. So that's a rare one.
Hey, look at this one. I've got this now.
Okay, my other.
Mm.
Ew, and that one, I think I saw it on here. It's a common.
Somebody taking a drink of this one.
Maybe, you never know. So we might have to do. Oh, I think I already know. Where is it? Yeah, I think it might be a donut. Is it a donut? Oh, disgusting! Look at that! And that one, I can't see it on this checklist. Let me find it.
This one will
Look
get.
on the other side.
Here
Here it is. It is a common. Okay, I'll open this one. Now, okay. Let me help you. Especially, shall I open the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's like the same
This is a
colour.
false pumpkin.
Oh my gosh, Sebastian.
Now where's my drink? Here it is.
He got an ultra rare. Okay.
And here's my mother.
Okay, bless you. My last
Not bothered facing that
one.
way.
We're not gonna get an ultra rare like you, I'm not.
I like my sticky.
Stuck. Okay, there we go.
That's just so.
It's popcorn.
That's just saying, oh yeah. That's a little bit sticky.
Popcorn. I cannot see popcorn on.
Wait.
Wait.
My wife in it for you.
Okay. I think that looks like a pizza, doesn't it? A bit. A pizza are like common, so I found popcorn on there. And popcorn, common. Good now.
My arms
Open it together. Got it? Maybe I'll.
No, I can do it. I think it's a pizza.
Yeah, like I said. And ready to undo the.
I can undo it.
Ready? Set. It is a pizza. Yay, we're right.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
It is
It's a pizza.
It's on the top.
It's a bit.
Come on.
Like this popcorn. Then my both the same sticky.
This is really soft.
And these ones are not really sticky.
Okay. So.
My one pumpkin.
That,
my favourite
that
one.
one. Find it again. Where is it?
Here's mine. No, not pumpkin, not pumpkin, not pumpkin. Put pumpkin back. Put pumpkin back. Okay, unless you want red eye. Okay, so I'm going to start from the back actually. So this one is a common. This one is a common. Where's the other one? Where's the pumpkin? Find it. This one is a common. This one's an ultra rare.
Give me back my
This one's on the other side.
Why?
It's a common. And the last one, that is this one.
Wow. Look guys, this one has red eye.
And this one is, I think that, what's blue again?
Look
Red.
at this one got a mustache.
So,
And we're gonna see that.
so the ultra rares are dun dun dun.
Oh my! This is a shine.
And
This is a shine bottle. And a shine falling out it.
This is the checklist.
I really wanted to open Social Gang.
And the other side.
This one is not shitty. It's not really.
And there is hard. You can get like the
Mummy will
like
them all to
opposite. Okay, everybody, let's open the shopping for Grossery Gang. And it says on the back. And it says on the back, one stop shop for groceries.
My back's one though had.
And this is what it looks
My
like at the back.
That might be
It
sick.
pops out.
And then
Okay.
it might be sick on your.
Open it.
Okay, my thought it will be supposed to others to do this.
Okay.
I love it.
That. That one's out. Now get the gross. No, I have to get that out first. Yep, snap again.
Oh my god.
Snap. Snap. Other side. Yep.
Oh.
That.
This one.
No.
Ow. Then both do that. Open it, put them in, and fast it, then a pop. Wow. Then a pop on the donut like a yan.
So these are two Grossery Gangs. Those would be the Grossery Gangs.
Yucky, yucky, and yucky, and yucky. Yeah. So slowly, guys. I thought
Oh
there was a
my
big hook in here.
Gosh, that is probably like fell.
But we can stack on.
Yep. Yeah. Now I'm just going to get this bit out.
Yeah.
That might be stuck in it forever. Probably laughing.
This one can go on him. Okay, I'm gonna do it here. This one can go on.
Everything's falling today. See? Okay.
You see?
Now, I'm guessing
My
that look on the back. Pocket side. Back.
You down there, you do it.
Okay. We've got our thing now.
That should go in there then, it says. So the door open, I'm guessing. No, does it? No, okay. It's the door open, you don't open. No, don't do it yet, don't do it yet.
Come on,
Yeah.
this one's gonna
I don't even know how you do it yet. Oh, the thing's gonna fall out. So I'm guessing the till goes there. And I'm going to show what happens to the till. The till faces like that.
I'll put it in.
Yeah, till goes this side. Elsewhere. Oh, I think you're supposed to press it to make it like come straight out. What do you have to first you're gonna go. No. Doesn't really like pop out.
Yeah.
Now
I'll speed off.
I put the Grossery Gang in here. And pass me the freezer. Where's the grocery?
Oh, my just because I'm going in
There and there. Okay, now I'm going to show you something that what you could do. So if you actually just like put on the Grossery Gang here. Now I don't know if it's going to be flying over the room, but no, it won't. That doesn't do that. And then, okay, ready? Ready? You ready?
Yummy hamburger, guys.
Okay, go. Where did that go? I'm flying every. Okay, we'll do popcorn. Right. Hey, I want to do popcorn. Okay, my go, Betty.
Mark it as one.
And then popcorn.
Come on, that's one. Hurry up.
No, leave it on the floor. Popcorn again. Popcorn on the floor. Yay. I don't like bounce. I'm gonna get closer to the table. That's all of ours, okay? Right, we've got it all set up. We've got these ones in here. We've got some there.
Okay,
And
this
also
one.
we've got one in here. And I'm going to show you a trick right now. So, I'm just going to put an ordinary Grossery Gang in the ordinary tub. And pop.
Where had it gone?
Gone. It's gone. And ta-da! Now I'm going to do it again.
Oh,
So put one in, close it, gone. See? And then where it goes, nobody knows. Okay, so what you can do with this grocery
and you can
then,
put it in. Yeah, you can put it.
you can
Send
undo
it. Beep, beep,
that.
beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep,
And this is what it looks like inside. It's normal.
Where has it gone?
With spilt lollipops, and then you put like and get all your
Mine.
Grossery Gang.
Margaret,
Now I'm only going to film. I have to do it. Yeah, he's gone. Okay, now.
this is how you make it do it. You have to beep, beep.
Did that just fly out?
Beep, 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 beep.
Actually, did that just fly out?
Oh, what? Look at that, do that.
Oh, I know what this is like.
If you guys,
What you call it, like the water goes in there. Thank you very much, Grossery Gang. Load it up. The water goes in there, and you put loads of Grossery Gang in
where
there.
has it gone?
The thing's opening. Monster!
Oh,
I'm just going to bring this out. I like it, so I'm just gonna
It's in
close
here,
it
right?
that way.
And
I am.
it.
Put it down there. that there, put that on there.
Not gone through.
Put that on there. Are you ready? Okay, let's read. Gone. Bye, everybody. See you in our next video.